Hello guys and welcome on this new video. Let's say that you would like to type a couple C++ code and you don't have a professional IDE like CodeLight that we used on our previous video, and you want to use a browser C++ IDE base in order to execute your task. So for that, you're going to come on your favorite browser and just type C++ shell and just click on the link, and you're going to be on this page. So when you arrive on this page, you should be able to write your code on this space right there and run some parameter if you want. I'm going to keep it on C++ 20 about the standard and warning many hyphen w all, and that's it. I'm just going to drop my code over there. For example, the code that I've used in the previous video in order to see out default Unix template. So once I've pasted it, I'm just going to click on run. The compiling process is going to move forward, and I'm going to have my output here, default Unix template. So it's something that is not going to be that much professional, but you can have all the basic stuff, the output, integer that returns 0 and everything else to allow you to practice a little bit if you don't have a professional IDE, or let's say that you are not able to have a powerful computer that can handle complex and professional IDE like CodeLight and so on. So that's it about this video. Give a thumbs up and see you on the next video. If you have learned something, please like and subscribe. Ciao.